Hi everyone, welcome to Dorothy's Kitchen and Garden channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my quick and easy to make wraps using buckwheat flour. I do prefer the buckwheat flour to the normal flour because it is good for people who suffer from gluten. I do hope you enjoy it guys, just keep watching. So to begin my cooking guys, I have two bowls there. I do have mixed spices, that is cayenne pepper, chili pepper and salt that is wrapped in there. I had prepared that beforehand. I have one egg and then the buckwheat flour and of course milk. Okay, so I'm going to then unwrap the spices because I'll be mixing the dry ingredients together, that is the buckwheat flour and the spices. So guys, I'm going to add a cup of buckwheat flour in that bowl. And then I'm going to take the egg and beat it, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix the egg with the milk, and because I love mixing the dry ingredients together and the wet ingredients together. So the spices, that is the salt, cayenne pepper and the chili, they are going to be mixed with the flour and then the egg and the milk together. Just to let you know that guys, I added some black pepper, to the buckwheat flour. I wanted my wraps to be extremely spiced nicely so that my vegetables and my meat will not be so heavily spiced, and it turned out really good. This recipe guys is extremely good. So if you want to fix something quick and healthy, just follow this and I'm sure you'll not be disappointed. And let me know from the comments below what you think after you have tried yours. So I just took, as you can see, I've just added my black pepper because I'm going to mix them there in that bowl with the buckwheat flour so that I can now then begin to mix them together to begin my cooking. Yeah guys, I would like to add this buckwheat flour is quite sticky. So when I was mixing it, because I measured 1 cup of buckwheat flour to 1 cup of milk, but then I do like my wraps to be, extremely thin because they wrap better and they taste even better. So what I did, I just after mixing it, I realized that the consistency was a bit thick and sticky as usual, which is really a good thing really. But then I added a cup of of milk, yeah, just to let you know. So I used 1.5 cup of milk and it turned out really nice. For my vegetables, I'm going to be using some green spring onions and 1 red onion, and of course store-bought spinach, some mozzarella cheese, and some 2 pieces of chicken fillet. Just to let you know that guys, the spring onions are from my balcony garden. So I'm also doing videos, gardening from small spaces, gardening from the balcony. And so you can check it out on this channel, and I hope you're going to get inspired guys. Those spring onions already, I'm harvesting them and they are really crunchy, they're yummy. Yeah, nothing compares to your own grown vegetables guys. These spring onions are amazing. Now you can see all the vegetables are ready. We have the red onions chopped, the green onions, the mozzarella, the chicken, and the spinach. So with the pan already hot, guys, I'm going to then add my olive oil infused with garlic, and I will mix it with the olive oil infused with chili. And because I'm not going to be spicing my chicken or my vegetables very much, because you can remember that we did spice the flour quite much with some spices. So infusing my olive oils infused with garlic and chilies just adds the flavor to it, which is really what I want, to balance the flavors on both sides. Okay, so guys, on the chicken I'm going to of course add some salt, for the meat, just a pinch of salt. And then of course I'm going to put some black pepper. I love my black pepper, but I'm not going to be adding to anything else apart from chilies, which I'm going to of course add some green chili paste which is already, tinned, and nothing more. That's it as far as spices goes for the meat, because we have already done so with the wrap. So we do not want to overpower the flavors, okay? All right, guys, now just keep watching them from here. I think it will be just much more like frying and of course then wrapping it. All right then. So it's at this point, guys, I realized that the butter was quite thick. And if you can remember, I said that at one point I added half a cup of milk. And so that's what I did, because I love my wraps being, soft and easy to wrap. Yeah, so you can see this is quite thick, the first one that I did. But after that, it was quite amazing. After I did the first one, I added the milk. And so when you measure 1 cup of buckwheat flour, it's good to measure 1.5. You can see now how lovely they are. They are soft and they're going to be easy to also wrap. Yeah, so one cup of buckwheat flour to 1.5 cup of milk, or whatever liquid that you're using. So then it's like back and forth, guys. So now we come, to the meat now, because remember I said I'm going to put spinach as the last option, because I did not want my spinach to overcook, because these are baby spinach, which can also be eaten as a salad. So now that the wraps, still hot and ready, to eat, I quickly put in my spinach in the meat and just covered it just for the steam, just a little bit, like 2 minutes. And then once my, spinach had already, absorbed in the juices of the meat, like you can see here, then I just turned off the stove. It's ready to eat and my wraps were still warm. And then now I'm going to put in, you can see, the wraps are still warm and really lovely. Oh my goodness, these wraps, guys, I tell you, they were amazing. So then I'm going to place my meat and my spinach at the middle, and of course my freshly harvested spring onions from my balcony garden. These onions, guys, these spring onions are amazing. And with my mozzarella cheese, if you have any other thing, topping or whatever else that you want to put in there, that's the moment that you can be able to now do that. Okay, so it's time for tasting. But guys, this wrap is amazing. It's easy and quick to make, easy to make. Guys, you need to try this, and in the comments below, let me know if you're going to try it, and if you try it, please let me know what you think. Sorry for the lighting, guys, but I tell you, this wrap was yummy. Oh my goodness, it was so delicious, guys, and so quick to fix, and with easy and simple to find ingredients. Remember, all you need is buckwheat flour or any flour of your choice, and then you have like fresh spinach and spring onions, chicken or whatever fish, whatever meat that is your choice, and then with some cheese, and you're good to go. So if you're going to try this recipe, or maybe if you're going to try and fix a quick wrap like the one you've watched me do, let me know in the comments what you think. Share with me how yours went. Mine was extra delicious, guys. Oh my goodness. No, that was really good. I'm going to, these are just like rescue foods, you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to spend, break a leg or an arm in the kitchen to cook. No, seriously, it was super delicious. The only thing I wished was if I packed it with more cheese. But anyway, I'm just trying not to, indulge. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching, guys. So I'm going to now end my video here. And remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to subscribe, guys, and give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed watching it, and share with your friends. Yeah, and let me know from the comments below what you think. And thank you so much, and until next time, guys. Shalom, shalom. This is your girl, Dorothy's Kitchen and Garden. Until next time, guys, God bless you. Bye. So yeah guys, just to mention, if you want to watch my other videos where I'm gardening and from a very tiny space, from a tiny balcony and the kitchen sills, it's in my videos. So just check and watch them. You'll be very inspired to self-sustain. Guys, I'm telling you, the spring onions are one of the tastiest spring onions I've eaten in a long time. They're fresh, they're juicy, they're crunchy. I'm planting spring onions, garlics. I'm planting also tomatoes and cabbages and lettuce and parsley, and it has never been amazing, guys. And of course my kombucha. Bye guys.